Bibigyan kita ng black polo because I love you.
Thank you, Chrissy.
Yes. Ano ka sa men's? Large? Or extra large? Extra large. Okay.
OMG!
I love you!
Oh my God, Darla! It's so hot talaga! Nakakaloka!
Sobra na. I promised my sisters I would be strong. But it's so unfair.
Kamusta ka?
Ba't ba ako nagsalita ng ganun? No, ito na lang. Kasi
Okay.
I've been waiting for a sorry. A personal sorry.
Kanina talaga, as an excited mother, ano talaga, 6:45 nagising ako. Eh, walang alarm, walang anything. Tumayo talaga ako.